Hello YouTube, I'm Dylan, and in this new drawing tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to make your own picture of Phineas and Ferb's sister, Candace. So get a nice piece of paper, get a good pencil, like this video, subscribe for more, and let's begin. So the first thing you need to put in is a basic circle shape for her head. And like I always say in my videos, draw very loose and lightly at first, because we're not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to cover some of them up later. And then right below this circle shape, there's going to be kind of a slight upside down rectangle shape. Then we're going to draw kind of another square or rectangle, triangle-like shape. And it's going to be a little slanted on the side because she's going to have some attitude as she's standing. And we're drawing the front of her body. And then right below this shape, there's going to be a really big kind of triangle shape without a point at the top. And then there's also going to be some sticks for her legs and feet. And then you're going to draw her arms. And they're going to go like this. These are just guides. Now we need to put a guideline, a line that will show where her eyes will fall, and then a line right down the middle for her nose and mouth. Now let's start by drawing her eyes. And her eyes are basic kind of half sideways oval shapes. And then we're going to draw her eyelashes that go like this. And then you're going to draw some half ovals on the inside for the pupils of her eyes. And then you're going to put these circles inside them. These are the highlights. And then right here, you're going to draw an upside down V shape for her nose, a smile, and a lower lip. Now we need to get in her cheeks on both sides. And then we're going to define her neck. And then she has these eyebrows. One is a little close to her eye, and the other is going to be a little raised up. She's going to have like a bit of a curious, or I'm not sure what look you call it. And then we need to draw an upside down V shape for her hair. And then you're going to draw another kind of V shape, and it's going to go like this. And then you're going to draw her shoulders with the neck of her. She's wearing a tank top. And then you're going to draw these almost kind of parenthesis shapes. And then we are going to draw her arms. And she's got 3 fingers. She's having her arms crossed. You have one here. Then you have another one. You have her arm here. And then you're going to draw you're going to have her other arm like this. And then she's going to have her 2 other fingers on this hand down like that. You're going to draw her finger there. And then you're going to draw the palm of her hand. And that line's going to stick out just a little bit like that. And then right here, you're going to draw her elbow, just like that. And then, to finish off the top part of her body, we need to get the rest of her hair. So you're going to draw these hook shapes. And they're going to go like this. And then you're going to do the same thing with this side, right here. Just like that. And then we need to draw the lower part of her shirt. And then we need to define her skirt. It spreads out a little. And then you put some detail of squares here to make it a little bit like it's a belt, but it's not really a belt. More like the belt loops. Okay, after that, we are going to put in her legs, which are going to go like this. They're a little skinny and a little thick at the top. Okay, so we got her feet. Now we need to draw her socks, which will go like this. And then you're going to put squares at the top. And then if you want, you could put a shadow underneath her. That'll go just like this. Now what you can do, you can get your eraser and get rid of some of the construction lines we put earlier. There's a bunch around her legs. We got some around her skirt. Let's get the construction lines in her arms. get her, got some in her face. And maybe if you have to, you can go back over the lines just in case your eraser went over the main lines. And there you go. That is Candace Flynn. Hope you all had fun. I'll see you next time.